Hey there, today I am going to show you a beautiful single house in Glenridding community. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, over 2,400 square feet single house with double garage attached. Let's go and have a look. This well-maintained 2,418 square foot home features 4 spacious bedrooms upstairs and a convenient den on the main floor. Hardwood floors run throughout the main level. The kitchen is designed with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and plenty of room for all your cooking needs. This home is ideal for family living. It's just a 5-minute bike ride to the school, and you can enjoy a relaxing walk straight from your backyard to the park. The open concept living area includes a stunning stone fireplace, large windows, and a beautiful view backing onto green space in the summer. And in the winter, kids will love having direct access to a sledding hill right from the backyard. And upstairs, you'll find a laundry room with the sink for added convenience. Plus a side entrance to the basement with 9-foot ceilings perfect for future renovations. My name is Min Shea, and I'm here to help with all your real estate needs.